Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Warrior Babe here, and I hope y'all are having a good day. If you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave. Welcome to the family. Today I'll be doing a product review of the unit on my head. This is a wrap wig from the company AFROANEW, and I'm just going to be giving you guys all the details on this particular unit. So if you'd like to get those, continue watching. The wig came in this pack, and this is the logo of the company, and this is the style that I got. There are several styles listed on the website, so you have a variety to pick from, as well as several colors. So the material goes all the way around, and it's pretty long, so I believe it works for most head sizes. The material also feels nice and smooth. The knot over here is pretty secure, so you shouldn't worry about it getting undone. And there's also a string back here to help you adjust how tight the unit is. There's enough space back here to support different bases such as cornrows, twists, or even a low ponytail. There are no pins or combs, which I feel like would be a great addition, but let me go ahead and put it on to see. Okay guys, this is what it looks like once I put it on. No modifications, no nothing. This is like I just threw it on, so you don't even have to do your edges. Everything is covered nice and neat, and it just looks good. I literally put this on in like 2 minutes, and that was it. So something very easy for you to do, and it feels so lightweight. Like, it feels so lightweight. You can definitely make this fro bigger if you fluff this out. However, I feel like there's another way you can wear this. Like right now I have it all the way up here, but if I wanted the fro to like sit a little bit down, I can move this back right here. Okay, there you go. So this time it's like I moved the fro backwards, so it's now more down, but then this would mean I'll probably have to do my own edges, so it looks very nice. Okay, I would say though that the only con I'm seeing is the fact that it keeps sliding up my ear, which that's not too bad. Honestly, I was gonna say go ahead and use some bobby pins and secure it like around these areas, and just take mine to adjust this whenever you need to. And sometimes some people might not wear it this way. Just know that if you're wearing it this way, this is the issue that you might have with it. Let me see what it looks like. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with wearing it behind your ears. I personally don't wear my scarves that way, but it still comes out nice. Again, you probably want to do your edges for this style. Let me know what you guys think. Would you be buying this? Do you think this is a great addition to your hair closet? Is this something that you will be adding to your cart? Let me know in the comment section down below. And like I said, there are a different number of designs, colors, and all of that on the website, so be sure to check them out. The link is going to be listed down below, as well as the link to this particular unit. If you guys have any questions, leave them for me in the comment section below, and I'll get those answers to you. Make sure you check out my other videos. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Warrior Babe. Bye guys.